All right, guys, I got one window put in and it sat her in the back of my truck for too long and I scratched it, so I'm gonna have to polish this out again, but it's in. I got a little bit of a gap here in my color, but I'm gonna touch that up. I got a little bit of a gap in my seal here, but I don't think it's into the world. A little bit of a gap there, if you can see that, but again, I mean, I wasn't going for like straight up perfection, but I am gonna go back and get some sealant, like some black silicone or something, and kind of trim it out with that. I'm in the process of doing this side now. It's a little bit hard to work with. It's a little bit of a struggle, but I'm gonna get this side in, and then I'll probably go ahead and do the paint and try to get it all painted up and get these side windows complete, and then we're gonna be moving to the back glass. All right, so now I'm fixing to work on this. I went and picked up a couple things. I picked this Raptor bed coating up. I picked up a LED light that I'm gonna try to figure out how to mount up in there. I think I'm gonna probably like JB weld a couple spots and then drill into the JB weld, because I don't want to drill into the fiberglass. And then I've bought some ultra black that I'm gonna basically try to work down into these cracks here and get this sealed up. Just shove it up in the crack there. Well, I might have to set my phone down. Nope, there we go. See how it kind of pushed out? Let's take my finger there, smooth it up a little bit. All right, so on this side, I chunked it out when I was trying to put the glass in, because I really don't know what I'm doing. But I think that'll keep some of the water from getting up in it. Yeah. All right, I got this window taped off, and it looks like crap, but is what it is. I just got to hit this line here and a little bit up there, and I just didn't want this stuff everywhere, so I'm gonna give her a good shake, and I'm gonna spray this off, and I'll peel this off, show you what it looks like. All right, and that's how it turned out. If you look close, you can still see a little bit of a difference there. Like this bed liner is thicker than the rattle can stuff I just used. But the main thing is, it doesn't stand out. I got a little short with my tape line right there, but not too worried about it. I polished this out a little bit, trying to get those scratches out. I still need to probably do some more polishing on that. But yeah, I think it turned out all right. Like I said, it doesn't stand out that it's a big gray strip where we didn't tape right. All right, so I just mixed up some epoxy. I made some measurements. I found center, and I dabbed just a little bit of that JB Weld epoxy right there, and I think this will work. I'm not wanting to like epoxy it down, but what I'm wanting to do is thicken up how much material I have here to mount this to, because I don't want to drill it straight through the fiberglass, because then it'll be sticking up on the top. But I think that'll give me just a little bit more thickness, and then I can drill into the fiberglass just a little bit and use like a really short screw and get it where it'll stay up there. So I'm gonna let this cure, and then we'll come back to mounting this LED. Alright, so that turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I drilled just a little bit into the fiberglass, and then I had this camper shell padding, double-sided sticky foam stuff to kind of help close the gap and make sure that it's like stuck, and got the screws. So yeah, the screws are more or less just kind of helping the sticky from getting hot and releasing in the summertime, I guess. So now I just gotta run some wires, but I'm probably not gonna show all that in this video, mainly because I really just want to get the top finished, and then this I'm just going to tap into the dome light. That way when I open the door up there, this light comes in. But I'm also probably going to run a power and, like, I don't know, try to mount it somehow over here like a toggle switch. That way the dome light will turn it on and this toggle switch will turn it on. I'm not sure how I'm gonna pull that off, but that's not gonna be in this video. So yeah, now I think really the only thing I have left is to get that window, that glass put in and bolted in, and this camper top will be done. So let me try to find some plexiglass or try to find a guy that will do it, because my windshield guy that's been doing my stuff has been slammed and hasn't been able to get back to me yet. So stay tuned.